Girl, boy, sir, ma'am, they. This is it.
Ooh. That was my cooking bacon. That's weird. That's suspicious. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're not new, if you are new, this is your first video. Hi, I'm Janisha. Welcome to Janisha Travels. Yes, my name is pronounced Janisha, for anyone who is confused. Got that all out of the way. Thank you for tuning in. This is weekly vlog number 14. I think this is weekly vlog number 14. Starting off this vlog on a Monday. Actually, I have some clips from yesterday and over the past weekend that I want to show you guys. So I'm going to put them in right now. So I'm ready to meal prep for the week, and I just wanted to step in, say what's up. I don't know if this is going to be the beginning of the vlog or not. I never know if this is going to be the beginning of the vlog, but yeah, I'm about to start meal prepping. So now that you guys have seen that, we're going to tonight probably just going to be cleaning up. Honestly, I need to like really do my hair well, like better than this. This is a really poor job of a low bun, so I need to do that. So I'll probably show you guys that, and then from there, yeah, I need to clean off my desk. My desk is very cluttered, and when I get my desk together, I need to find some more like storage space for my desk area.
Okay, you guys, this is me showing you my workout morning routine. So as you can see, I was just scrolling on my phone, and then once my 6:30 alarm went off, I turned my light on and I got out of the bed because otherwise I would have laid there for another 30 minutes. So I'm just turning on some music so that I can really wake up, and then I'm going to change into my workout clothes and I'm going to make my bed. This is going to be my Tuesday and Thursday morning routines because I'm going to be working out on Tuesday and Thursday mornings during the week. So I just wanted to show you guys this. It's a brand new schedule. I have not been doing it for long at all. This is actually the first time that I did it, the first and only time. So today's Monday while I'm recording this audio, so I'll be doing it again tomorrow. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy seeing a little bit more. I'm trying to show you guys a little bit more in these weekly vlogs. So let me know if you guys like this type of stuff. If you want to see night routines, morning routines, all of that stuff, let me know down below.
So you guys just saw me get ready this morning, kinda, sorta. You saw me get up and make my bed and all that stuff. I probably did a voiceover so you guys know that, like, this is not my normal morning routine, but I'm trying to start a new habit and start a new schedule and do all this stuff. So yes, that is that. I am on my way to work. I just need to go upstairs, pack my lunch and all of that good stuff. And I am ahead of schedule. It is 8:34. That is the one good thing about waking up early. It helps you, like, you're just ahead of schedule. You're going and going and going. So yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. I'm gonna go to work, and you guys don't want to see what I do at work. It's boring. I type on a computer all day. So yeah, that is it. I'm signing off for now. I will see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If I have not said it before, if you made it this far, at least this far in the vlog, please take the time to subscribe down below, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it so far, and comment down below and let me know what you like about it, or you can comment on something else that I told you guys to comment on, or you can just leave me some love because I appreciate the love and I'll give it right back to you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see y'all this afternoon. Yeah, I have a bit of a busy night ahead of me. Y'all are pretty much fully charged, like, well, 90%. That's good enough for me. I'm gonna get this stuff done. I do have to go back upstairs in a little bit, but I'm gonna try to hold off on that. I'm gonna try to go do this makeup real quick. I'm not gonna show y'all because that will make me move slower. So I'm just gonna do it and come back. I'm gonna freshen up my hair, like put some gel on it, put my scarf on it while I do my makeup, and then I'll come back and show y'all the setup for the pictures. What is the problem? Okay, it's taking it now. Okay, I think it's flickered a few times. Y'all, so I think I got some good ones. I'm just going to put them on my computer to edit them. I really wish I could have taken pictures of my glasses. My glasses always pop, but the ring light situation. I'm gonna try to take some and see what happens. I don't know, maybe I can edit the ring light out. I don't know, we'll see. So I'm gonna try and come back. Hey you guys, I know I didn't check in yesterday and I'm sorry for that. Yesterday was a really busy day for me. I do want to go to Starbucks and try this Starbucks drink that I saw on Instagram. If I get it, I'll show y'all and I'll share the recipe with y'all, because it's like it's like a refresher. You have to ask for like the recipe. I'm kind of scared to get a big size, so I may just get like a little small size or whatever. But yeah, I heard it was really good. So yeah, I don't know, we'll see if I get it or not. Okay you guys, so unfortunately my cousin called me when I was ordering it, so I couldn't talk to y'all at Starbucks. I feel like I'm so close. I put my new car mount in. I have another car mount that I need to hook up to, but yeah, this one seems to be doing well. I have to work with it a little more, but yeah, I feel like y'all are all in my grill. Why you all in my grill? Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all, this is not first taste impression, but it's gonna be, you know, an impression, okay? It is so, oh, that car is balled up. It is so good. So, let me tell y'all what it is. It is a mango, what's it, dragon fruit? It's a mango lemonade with 3 pumps of raspberry syrup and 3 pumps of pineapple. But baby, I sound like somebody's auntie. Oh my God, I'm getting old. This thing is good. And girl, boy, sir, ma'am, they, this is it. If you like sweet lemonade, you know, it's, I don't know if this is strawberries in here or dragon fruit. I've seen other people's drinks, they didn't look as purple as mine, but yeah, it's pretty good, y'all. So I'm gonna go because it's raining. It is raining and it's traffic, so I'm gonna go. But let me know if y'all like this new setup, this new car mount setup. If y'all like the view. I think I kind of like it. Like I said, y'all are close. Like you can see my steering wheel and everything. You guys are kind of close, but it's not too bad. This is damn good. This is so good. What's up, gang? I look crazy crusty, but I'm about to do this workshop, and I'm hoping that they can hear me. I think my mic is off. I guess they can hear me. It's not starting yet, but there is somebody in here, so yeah. So I'm about to do this workshop, and it doesn't allow me to mute, so whatever. I'm about to do this workshop, and yeah, like I said, I look crusty. Y'all see me. So far. Ooh, that was like cooking bacon. So I'm done with that crazy long workshop. Ended up going over like an hour and a half. I was so exhausted, I was falling asleep and everything. But right now I'm sitting outside waiting for my wax appointment so I can go in for my wax appointment. And then from there, from the wax appointment, I need to go to get Mother's Day cards, just 2. Hopefully I can find them. I need to get my car washed, and I also need to, I don't need to, but I want to go to Starbucks and get another mango dragon fruit lemonade. I really need to work out, but that's probably not gonna happen, to be honest with y'all. But that workout look hard, and like she doesn't do manual labor, and working out is manual labor. Oh, I need to get my eyebrows done. Y'all probably can see how crazy they look. So yeah, I'm gonna go because I look busted, so I'll come back looking a slightly better. Hey, y'all, I got y'all kind of like put up real quick. I'm getting ready to go and get my mom some food. As y'all saw, I hate when people just be so pressed to turn. You could wait. Anyways, I think I showed y'all that I went to Chipotle I didn't really show y'all my order because it was nobody in line, as y'all saw. So I walked right up to the little thing. So I'm gonna get my mom a fish sandwich. Why are they redoing this Chick-fil-A? Like, that's just what I was wondering. Like, that's weird. That's weird. That's suspicious.
That's suspicious. That's weird.
But yeah, I'm gonna get my mom this fish sandwich real quick, and then from there I'm going back home. This is a terrible angle, but okay, all right. Y'all, people that eat at Checkers be crazy, a little crazy. I don't know, they just be a little crazy. Meanwhile, I'm putting up the Checkers to get a sandwich, but you know, yeah, I'm gonna get my mom this sandwich real quick. Hi, can I get the fish sandwich? And on the fish sandwich, can I have no tartar sauce, but can I add mayo and ketchup? Yes, that's gonna be it. Thank you so much. Y'all, that's the nicest experience I ever had at Checkers. Let me get this food. I'll come back. I'm gonna go to Starbucks too. I'm about to pull up on it now, so might as well leave the camera on. I'm so used to spending so much money at Checkers, y'all, like getting a meal. But I only got the sandwich because that's all she wanted. I was tempted to get french fries, but I got Chipotle, so put on it. Alright, now from here, I think I actually might just go home. The Starbucks line is probably freaking crazy. I'm gonna drive past it and see what it's looking like. If it's not crazy, I'll go in it. If it is crazy, I'm going home. Are they closed? Okay, y'all. I think it's too good to be true. I think the Starbucks is closed. So I came to Starbucks because I was like, oh, it's no line. Bro, they're closed. What do it say? Due to nationwide, we adjusted our hours. They close at 2 o'clock. What the heck? I really wanted that lemonade. I'm pissed off about that, actually. Kind of really pissed off about it. Kind of really pissed off about it. Actually really pissed off about it. I'll catch y'all when I get in the house and we can, I probably am not gonna eat with y'all. I could, but like I don't have nothing to talk about, so yeah. Matter of fact, you guys, honestly, I don't think I'm gonna be doing much else tonight. I think the only other thing I'm gonna be doing after this is editing the vlog so they can go up tomorrow. Putting these clips and stuff on the vlog. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, actually. I just want to I don't think I have nothing else. This has been a pretty eventful week, honestly. And like I said, I think I told y'all earlier that tomorrow's Mother's Day. Y'all know I don't vlog on Sundays, but I am going to vlog tomorrow what I can vlog, because I think we're going to eat some crabs, y'all, and so my hands going to be messy. So I ain't trying to do no whole bunch of vlogging. I'll vlog a little bit, but yeah, so I will try and vlog it for y'all if I can, and then obviously it'll be in next week's weekly vlog. I do have some other stuff, so this is what I want to run past y'all. So I have like a productive day in my life. It's like a productive day around the house kind of vlog. Do you guys want to see that as a separate vlog all by itself, or do you guys want to see that in a weekly vlog? Let me know. And so yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you got this far, you're a real one. If you are not subscribed, make sure that you take the time right now to go down and subscribe. Click the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from me. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you made it this far. If you made it this far, that means you liked it, right? So just go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, I will see you guys next week. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next time.